Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. I am your friend John. Today the topic of my video is Australian parrots. Before starting my video, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Australia is the home of some of the most deserved and stunning parrots in the world. From the enchanting rainbow, these birds are true delight to be loved. So let's our journey with the famous rainbow lorikeet. Rainbow lorikeet are known for their vibration, plumage, and playful nature. The social bird that can be found in flocks. These colorful parrots are nature feeder and are often seen sipping on blossom. These small parrots are beloved pets worldwide. They known for their charming creeds and the male's ability to whistle tune. These lovely pink and grey parrots are across administration. The Australian parrots are most beautiful parrots in the world. I hope you will be enjoy this video. Please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for my next video. Goodbye.